a week or two more. I think it's good to maybe kind of reinforce some of the vocabulary. I'm going to try to do this a little differently today. We're going to go through one sentence and then we'll actually go through it a little bit before we move on to the next. Okay? We have our readers lined up here. Okay. Bob, you want to read us number one? Yeah, Kamana. Okay. Okay, so other than Bob and Heather.
When he came and put himself, he was
in a lee.
Sleeping.
Huh? Laying down.
And then something else, house.
Okay. Anyone?
His lazy boy left.
Okay, Bob, you wanna translate the rest of it? Take a shot at it? Do you know what okay, Nuara Hanig when he came. Pick a hain. Came to himself, he came to. Yeah, you say, okay. He was lying down. You're in a kamana. Kame is a step, so on the
steps outside his house.
Right, lasmud and chak outside the house. Kame is a step, so on the steps. Na kamana.
Did she steal his identity?
We'll find out. Okay. So kame is also, if any of you are, I don't actually think too many here follow the dancing stuff, that would be a step in dancing as well as a step that you walk on. Okay. Heather, you want to read number two? Okay, so you ought to be able to transfer this one.
He had a horrible headache.
He had a horrible headache. Okay, so Vitinas Kiner, he had a headache. Vitinas Kino Fasach, he had a terrible headache. Bob, number three?
Kunchak there package aspirin Bagnach Lesha Emperor Nuera Vishe Agul Erna Kani.
Okay. So Hurdi She Afoki, what do you think? Okay, Hurdi, he searched. Yeah. Afoki Kunchak Ern Bakid Aspirini. Packet of aspirin. Hunchacht Aaron Bakid aspirin to come onto the package of aspirins or to find. Okay. Bagnachlesh umper. We had that bagnachlesh somewhere else in one of the previous ones, I think. Umper is to actually want to help us out with this. If you guys can throw in a little bit on that one. Umper. Yeah, they have with you to carry. Umper. Okay. Oh, come on in. Yeah, watch the cord there. Okay. And here we'll. Okay. But nachlesh is that he was accustomed to, or that he usually umper to carry. Okay. Or to have, yeah. Nur viachshe egdol ernakani. Any idea?
When he was going to go drinking.
When he was going to go drinking, literally go on the cans. Okay, to get canned, right? Okay. Nur viachshe, when he would go out on the cans, which is one of the many expressions to get drunk. Okay. We'll talk about these a little bit more when we go through it again. But number four, Heather. They were followed. Empty. Okay. All right. Number
And that's
6.
referring to the aspirin container?
His pockets. Hurdi Shafolki, right? Okay. Bob Beberashe.
Again?
Yeah, he searched them again. So Hurdi Sharishian Folky, right? Beberashe, Heather. Okay, so Bigachrod Imiha.
But everything was gone.
Everything was gone. A wallet.
Wallet.
Wait, a wallet would be translated?
Wallet?
Wallet, but what's the
Billfold?
No, the in front of it. His wallet. Okay, a wallet. A hearty kredvasa.
It is.
Credit cards.
Okay. And it comes with the word credge is to believe. So credvasa has this idea of
There was
Trust.
never a Geall word for a wallet before they came up with this.
I think
silly
there's
thing.
other words. So a chij aragij. Can't translate yet.
Wait, what was the last
A
one?
chij aragij is what?
Oh,
All of his money?
His money. Yeah. We can talk about that later. We'll kind of just do a kind of quick translation on this round. And ochrcha and char. Yeah.
I didn't say
I know.
anything.
Bob.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Actually, that's Heather's to translate. To read. Iver sha. No.
No, I just
Bob's.
read that one.
Iver sha. Bob.
Dair sé agus chuoi sé suas na céimena go dtí an teach.
Okay. So dairi she. Okay. Got up. Agus hui she suas na kemana. Bob. Suas. Suas na kemana. Gojin chach.
Into his house.
Or to the house. To the house. Gojin chach. Okay. Iver hoch to Heather.
Near of souls are bare lights on.
Okay. So.
Are
Nirev.
there any lights on inside?
Yeah, solus or biz, any light. Erlasa, lit. Okay? On is in the house. Iverni Bob.
Oh, I'm sorry. Will sé an plugin.
Wusha and Cligine.
Oh, plugin.
He. That's it.
Give you a hint. He's standing in front of the house. What do you-
The door was locked.
okay, what's you want to know what clog is? Clog?
You know what?
Okay, Cligine. It's not a clock actually in this case.
He slammed the door.
Yeah. What kind of things do you do in front of a house?
Knock on the door.
Knock on the door or
Ring the bell.
ring the bell. Okay. You strike the bell in Irish. Wusha and Cligine.
You know, I hate this reformed spelling. You can't even see those grade mark. There's a cute accents on top of the I.
Oh,
You know, the old spelling, if it had anything on top
Yeah,
of the I,
right.
it was a long I.
yeah.
Wait, isn't he in front of his own house?
No, it's her house.
The house where the,
Yeah.
oh,
If
I
it
thought he
a,
was in front of his own
no,
house.
no.
she just robbed
If
you.
it
I
a J.
understand why he was ringing his bell.
Right. If it a J.
You're again to the Gideon doors.
So near Hanig ein dinna Gajin Doris. So
But no one came in the door.
okay, good. If it a hinjag, Bob.
Will sé an plug a réis agus a réis eile.
Okay.
Kept ringing the bell.
Again and again, right? Okay. If it a doyag, Heather.
Near of Torah bear, Cuid erupting.
Okay, I might have a hard time with this one.
There wasn't.
Give you a hint. Torah is related to Torhi. Yeah, Torhi, for example. Torhi are fruit. So Torah.
Oh, the twig for green.
It's not a good fruit. Okay.
Wasn't any fruit.
Actually, we probably don't know. Okay, so Nira Torah. Heather, you read that one. You want to translate it for us? You want to take
It's
it?
kind of like the idea of the fruit of his labors, so,
No one came.
produce any answer.
Or yeah. So Torah is a result. So Nira Torah erbe erachid erachid. There was no result on his attempts. Okay. Iver a tree jag, Bob.
Réis sé sias na céimena agus deir sé
Jeffrey she.
Jeffrey sé chuig an lána lá leis an teach na raibh an car pacha aige.
Okay, you can breathe now. All right. So Rit she shias na kemana. Okay. Agus Jeffrey she. You know the word Jeffer? Anyone?
Yeah. Jane Jeffer.
Okay. So what do you think Jeffrey she means?
Hurry.
He hurried. Yeah. Chig and Lana. Lana sounds like an English word.
Lane.
Yeah, lane. So Hig and Lana,
Down
or to the lane.
the lane.
Okay, Lav lesh and chach. Lav is hand, so what do you think it means? Lav lesh and chach. Means next to the house. Yeah. Okay. In a rev and car foghegi.
Where was
Cows come.
Yeah, or left. Fog. Okay. So
He had left the car.
where he left the car, right? Give it a carrot jig, Heather.
Me and Porsche in my head.
The horse was gone. Give it a Cuid jig, Bob.
Hiú sé go láir na cara agus tháinig sé ar taxi dimpir a bhile é.
Okay, so Huel she.
So he,
So,
He wa-
so.
He
Huel
walked.
walked. Huel she go lar na carach. Might have seen that one somewhere. Not you, Bob.
See the city.
Huh?
Or the
City. City. Is anyone know the word lar? Middle. Yeah. Okay. Well. Agus honig she er huxi.
And hailed a taxi.
There. Actually, it's similar to the one we had up above when he searched his pockets